June 12. June 12. Nasa June 12 ba tayo?
Okay.
Tapos na yung March 31. Yung June 12,
Tapos na yun, tapos na yun.
is an independence celebration. 126 years of independence. If I got it right, yung computation no, mula nung declaration noon ng mga katipunero ba?
1898.
Well, 126 years of independence. Nawala yung during World War II pero bumalik ulit, binalik na Amerikano 1946. Okay. It will be our celebration of independence. Whether whatever the year ng celebration, ang importante, we are celebrating as a Filipino people, as a country. We are enjoying independence. Somewhere along that timeline, tinyente ako, lumaban ako, yung mga MUP ninyo, si Metran at saka si